Hello, I am so stoked to talk to you guys about Progent. This is a contact lens cleaner for those who have ortho-K or hard lenses. This stuff works. I got this recommendation from my eye doctor. When I was there, he asked me if I had dry eyes and during the night if I was bothered by my lenses. Yes, I was, and it's simply because there are protein deposits underneath those lenses constantly bothering, scratching my eye. This is a bi-weekly cleaner, 30-minute process. You are going to be amazed with the results. I'm actually due for my lens cleaning. I'll bring you along and you'll see what it entails. I have Progent and I have my dirty contact lenses. In this box, you get all of this. It's just 7 in here, not 5. I just used up 2. Huge warning, none of this stuff goes in your eye. So first, open this up and insert the contact lenses. All right, have my lenses in here. Take your A, and your solution A has sodium hypochlorite. Carefully open it and squirt A in the bottle. And this B is potassium bromide. Carefully open it and squirt in with the A. Just make sure you have your 30-minute timer set and you can begin. Attach the lid on. Make sure the lid is on tight and you can carefully shake it to loosen up the proteins. And now we wait for 30 minutes. Time is up and here it is. Make sure to carefully open it up without spilling anything. And when you're ready to do so, just pour it down the drain very carefully. I'm gonna go pour this down the drain. Here we are, but we're not done yet. We're gonna have to get the rinsing solution, which is this right here, and rinse our contact lenses. So that's rinsed with the rinsing solution. I cleaned this up and I wanna pour this unique pH. I talk about this in another video, be sure to check it out. This is fresh contact solution. And just an FYI, this is a one-time thing. Don't reuse any of these. We can take out the contact lenses and put them in here. I can already tell they look pristine. And that was it. So now my clean contacts are in here, ready to be used. Trust me, this makes a world of a difference.